What is air conditioning? To understand air conditioning, consider a room filled with people who are working on the computers. Now heat discharged by the running computers as well as working persons causes the room temperature to increase. Also, the humidity due to sweating of the people increases. To decrease this temperature, suppose we switch on the cooler. This reduces the temperature of the room, but further increases the humidity, thereby increasing stickiness. So, how do we solve this problem? For such problem, we install a device in the room which not only cools the air, but also regulates the humidity of the air. Also, it regulates the air motion and provides clean air. Therefore, we can say that this device regulates the air to achieve the favorable conditions. This process of simultaneous controlling of temperature, humidity, cleanliness and air motion is known as air conditioning, and the device is known as air conditioner. Thus, air conditioning is defined as the process of altering the air properties such as temperature, humidity and cleanliness to achieve more favorable conditions. Air conditioners are not only used where human comfort concerns exist. It is also used to increase the fertility among poultry by creating an appropriate humid environment. Also, air conditioning is essentially required in larger server rooms to keep the computers running satisfactorily. It is seen that the computers run efficiently at 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 50% relative humidity. Air conditioning is also used in space exploration equipments. Now, as per atmosphere, air conditioning can be of two main types: summer air conditioning and winter air conditioning. Also, as per usage, air conditioning can be of two main types: comfort air conditioning and industrial air conditioning. Related terms are